Time to take a hands-on look at the all-new Galaxy Buds Pro. The case has a smooth, slightly pearlescent look. It's about the size of a ring box. And, of course, the Buds Pro comes with sound by AKG. Let's open it up. The buds sit perfectly snuggled inside the case. Taking a closer look, it's amazing that 3 mics and 2-way speakers all fit inside the small form factor. You'll notice that the wingtip has been removed and the nozzle shortened for a more minimalistic design. This mesh on the outer shell acts as a windshield, keeping any wind noise to a minimum when you're taking a call. And the user experience is super friendly. When you put them back in the case, it's so satisfying to hear that magnetic click.
Lost in stories through audiobooks and podcasts, and time flies when we're chatting with our friends. Incredible sound quality is the most important part of any listening experience.
The S21 series has various portrait modes that accentuate the subject and make them pop, help you capture studio quality portraits. With Studio Mode, AI adjusts the lighting to create perfect portraits that look crisp and natural. In advanced multi-frame processing, the camera makes your selfies look their absolute best.
The brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. I'm here to tell you about the features. Thanks to an 11mm woofer for deeper bass and 6.5mm tweeter for richer treble, you're getting fantastic sound. Next up, active noise cancellation is finally here. The Buds Pro can also detect when you start speaking and will automatically lower the volume of what you're listening to. Another new feature is the addition of 360 audio. So when you're watching videos on a Samsung smartphone or tablet, the sound will lock on to the device. The Galaxy Buds Pro have 3 built-in microphones to help you come through clearly on phone calls. The Galaxy Buds Pro are also water resistant with an IPX7 rating, so you don't need to rush to remove them if you're out and it starts raining. Now, battery life on the Galaxy Buds Pro is rated at 5 hours of playback. You can get them in black, silver, and purple, which matches up with the new colors of the new Galaxy S21. Available in stores for $199.99. Will you be picking up a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro? Let me know what you think.
Samsung announced their Galaxy Buds Pro today, so let's go over some key points. I like the fact that they have 2 speakers in them, a larger woofer and a smaller tweeter. That's going to be some great sound coming from AKG. Beamforming technology for the microphone, so basically it's going to be directing the mic toward your mouth. IPX7 water sweat resistance, great. 3 mics, but I'm interested in this windshield because I do drive with the top down, so it's going to help with some of that wind noise. The 360 audio, basically when you turn your head, the audio is going to kind of move around with you, which is going to be kind of cool. I wish the battery life was a bit better, me personally, because when I'm flying from West Coast to East Coast, that's more than 5 hours, but it's fine for most people. The ambient sound, active noise cancellation, and intelligent active noise cancellation all kind of go hand in hand. Basically, I'm really interested to try this out because I love ANC. Auto switch, yeah, okay, fine. Basically, if you get a call and you're on your tablet, it'll switch over to your phone, fine. So overall, I am impressed.
Story.